What is up, everyone? This is Danny from SuperSprings International, one of the content creators, and today we are doing a double install on some Jeeps. Got some weather today, so hopefully we can stay warm, and let's get this install going.
We have factory bump stops from a Jeep Wrangler TJ, Sumospring. You can see the height is much different. It's a lot taller, it has a lot more mass to it. With the Jeeps, we've designed the Sumosprings not so much as a load carrying mechanism like our other Sumosprings, but more as a high performance bump stop for when you're off-roading, hitting large bumps or ruts, or rocks. It will absorb that impact when the suspension bottoms out much better than the factory bump stop. It cushions it, slows down the upward travel of the axle and wheel, and makes for a much more comfortable ride.
Boom. Beautiful. Hey.
Danny, you say action and everyone be quiet.
We're compressing this spring with these spring clamps so that we can remove this metal spacer here and take this whole spring out and then put this on the inside of the spring, and once we put the spring in, I can bolt this into the top there.
Work makes the dream work. Gotta get that slow-mo.
Yep.